Make this pasta salad next time, you won't regret it. To begin our recipe, we'll put hot water in a pot, add salt, and 9 ounces of pasta. Let's cook it. We'll cut 1 onion, 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 green apple. Then let's squeeze 1 lime over the apple. We'll also cut 1 cucumber. In a bowl, let's put 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Let's mix all the ingredients. Then we'll add salt and pepper. In another bowl, we'll put the onion, the bell peppers, the apple, the cucumber, 1 cup of corn, and the dressing. Let's mix very well. Guys, take this moment to leave me in the comments where are you watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. Let's put the pasta in a bowl and add the salad. To finish, we'll add 1 can of tuna. Let's mix very well. And our recipe is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.